What's going on, guys? Wanted to do a quick little video today. Quick install, I guess. I got this sweet looking dude. I've actually had this for, I want to say about a month now. I've just been waiting to kind of install it just because, it's been really cold out and I kind of wanted to do an install video and just get that out for you guys. But I actually have the 6-button OBC. So from what I understand, this is going to be the easiest one because I know with the 13 and I think the other one's the 9, you actually have to take your HVAC panel off, or at least get up under here to unscrew everything to get that guy off. The only thing I didn't really want to do was splice the wire, so I ended up getting this pigtail from this guy on eBay. I actually have his card here. I don't know if that's actually going to be able to show up or not. But this guy here, super quick shipping. eBay's crazy and it said it was going to be like a month or something like that. It showed up literally like 3 days later, but really good customer service. So I already went ahead and put it in. It is kind of snug in there, so I didn't want to force on it too much to pull it out, but you just put that on there and just be extra careful to make sure the one with the open slot goes where there's no connector there. And just be careful when you get it on there. Just make sure it's snug. You don't want to overpress it and risk bending anything. And then I think the way he marked this, this little gold sticker there, or gold Sharpie, whatever that is, that's the part that actually faces up. And you'll see that in a minute. Some people, you might have to use like a flathead or something small, some kind of small pry tool. But for this, mine was, as you can kind of see, already slightly coming up. So just get gently behind there and gently kind of work your way around it. If you're not worried about saving it, just peel that fucker off. And then next, you're going to have these little tabs here. You just push like so and pull this out to reveal the little backside here. And for this, you literally just lift that part up and this slides out. So for this, the guy who sent mine, E30 Riley, I'll tag him down below, actually came with the bracket that's already installed on mine. So I'm going to go ahead and just take that off. So same procedure if you have the same thing. Just carefully pull the faceplate off and then press in back here and on the bottom one. Or if you can, use this one and just kind of swivel that down a little bit. Or not swivel, but kind of, make its way down. Slide that out. And then from here, like I was saying, you want to use the part that has the gold sticker or Sharpie, whatever that is, and that faces up. And then you're going to go ahead and plug that connector in. And that's pretty much it. Let me hit the lights, actually. I don't know if you'll actually be able to see it. I can see it a little bit. I don't know if it's going to show up for you guys, but I know you can see, like, if you look close, like in the slots here and down below. Go ahead and hit the lights again. And then from here, just going to slide this into place, carefully snapping it back. And then from there, just put the faceplate on. And boom. That's how that goes. Alright, so we'll go ahead and set the clock. It's about 2:20 right now. So fuck it, close enough. So yeah, that's how you do that. I actually got this piece in from a guy on Rev Limited. For some reason mine isn't snapping in, so I'll probably play with that a little bit after this and kind of get it to snap in place. But it's finally nice to have a cover, I guess. So yeah, that's how that's done, and I'll see you guys next time.